This video aims to demonstrate the EWT103W15 module when used as an application processor AP and a test station. TCP pass-through with computer. For configuring other parameters, please refer to the corresponding instructions in the Ebyte official website manual. This tutorial uses XCOM and a network debugging assistant, both of which can be downloaded from the Ebyte website. In order for the demonstration to proceed smoothly, prepare the following products and software. First, connect the test kit USB cable to the computer's USB port. Then we open the serial port debugging assistant on the computer. Baud rate 115,200, stop bits 1, data bits 8, parity bits n. Then open the serial port. Clicking Send Multiple will send the command directly. Send the command at +QA mode equals 2 to switch the module to AP mode. Send command at +QASAP equals test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 6 2. Configure Wi-Fi parameters. Send the command at +SIPMUX equals 1 to enable multi-connection mode. Send the command at +SIPServer equals 1 1001 to create a server. The port is 1001. Send the command at +SIFSER to query the IP address of the module when it acts as an access point AP. Open your computer's Wi-Fi list and find the Wi-Fi network named test. Enter password to connect to Wi-Fi. Open Network Debugging Assistant. Select protocol type TCP client. Note that the remote host port needs to be. Use the queried IP address and it commands to set the server port. Click the link. Send 1234 using the computer-based Network Debugging Assistant. XCOM software received data. The serial port debugging assistant sends the command at +SIPSend equals 04. Click to send a single message. Send 4321 via XCOM software. Network debugging assistant received data. Next, the module will operate in STA mode, creating a TCP client for communication with the computer. Connect the test kit to the computer. Then we open the serial port debugging assistant on the computer. Baud rate 115,200, stop bits 1, data bits 8, parity bits n. Then open the serial port. Clicking Send Multiple will send the command directly. Send at +QA mode equals 1 to switch the module to STA mode. Send the command at +QIJAP equals test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 to connect to Wi-Fi. This shows that the module in STA mode has successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Open your computer's Wi-Fi list, find the Wi-Fi network named test, enter the password, and connect to the Wi-Fi network. Open the Network Debugging Assistant on your computer and select Create TCP Server. Select the connected Wi-Fi adapter IP address and set the port to 1234. Send the command at +SIPMUX equals 0 to enable single connection mode. Send command at +SIPSTART equals TCP 192.168.236 122 123.4. The connection to the server was successful. Send the command at +SIPMode equals 1 to enter transparent transmission mode. XCOM sent data 4321. Network Debugging Assistant received the data. Network Debugging Assistant sends data. XCOM receives data.